Hello. 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 Good afternoon, Paul. Good afternoon, Paul. Okay. Okay. First of all, today we have to discuss about cloud computing. Main thing, what is cloud computing? In this overview, we will see in this class what is cloud computing, history of mobile computing, service models, deployment models, architecture, system, security, cloud, client issues, research, why is it is important. Okay, first of all we go to basics. Who is invented cloud computing? Cloud computing was invented in early 1960 by J.C.R. Licklider. Okay, J.C. means Joseph Carl Robert Licklider. It's an American. Okay, American scientist. Like, okay. In this, cloud computing is network-based computing data to 1960s, but many of the first using cloud computing. Okay, modern context occurred on August 9, 2006. Okay, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing. It is a internet-based computing. It is a large group of remote server it will be having and same data network. Okay, I have uploaded some data in cloud storage. I will access any places from anywhere. It's working on a internet based only. Okay. In this, which company is having the provide the cloud computing? Amazon, AWS, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft, and Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba Cloud, and Dropbox. Like that, many of the cloud companies it will be providing. Who is the first mover in cloud computing? One of the first mover in cloud computing was Salesforce.com. In this website is first cloud computing is moving. In 1999, it will be introducing a concept of delivering enterprise applications. Enterprise applications is nothing. It will be a web-based applications or server-based applications. Okay, it will be launching a Amazon Web Service in 2002. Okay, 1999 it will be introduce the concept of enterprise application. In this application will be launching Amazon Web Service in 2002. Okay, what is the biggest cloud in the world? Next slide. They are all highlighted cloud in Earth atmosphere located at altitudes are around 76 kilometers to 85 kilometers. Okay, this all now overviewing. Next we will move. What is the cloud? What is cloud computing? Allows user to deal the software without having hardware. We have to handle this in this cloud computing without hardware. Okay. Everything is done by remote. Nothing is saved locally. What is really saying now? Everything we have give some inputs or everything data. It will be controlling a remote. We save locally means it will be controlling a remote. And then characteristics: empower, agility, API, cast, device and location independent, virtualization, multi-tenancy, reliability, scalability, security and management. In this are characteristics of cloud computing. In right side it will be saying how cloud this works. See, first of all we give some inputs. Client computing, we the client, we give some inputs. It will be enter a control node, and then it will be split up two types: one side database, one side application server. In database we give some inputs like names, age, DOB, like that is the information via database. It will be stored, then it will be shared a application server, and then it will be executing a computer network. I mean link the computer network. Okay. In this history of history of cloud, in 1960s in 90s and 60s theorized the world having a cloud computing, and then 90s started a VPN and efficient insurance. In 2006 Amazon will be launched elastic cloud computing commercial service. It will be first time it will be launched in 2006, and then which is opened everybody to after all commercial purpose will be increasing in 2009. Google Play Store also start to providing the cloud computing with the enterprise applications. Enterprise application means nothing. I already told it is a web based application or server based application. We told both. Okay. Okay. Next we see service models of cloud computing. First one is infrastructure as a service, IaaS, PaaS, platform as a service, software as a service, SaaS. First one basic server user maintained software. In this differentiation is nothing. First of all, we the client, and then browsing is a server. We are give some inputs request. It will be searching and then giving some result. So we using some tools, emails, virtual desktop, communication, games, and PaaS extension, runtime, database, web server, development tools, and then LaaS, okay, virtual machine, server, store, load, balance, network. Okay. Next slide. Deployment model: public cloud, community cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud rental. Okay, done by the services provided. And then community cloud, organization from specific community with common concurrence. Private cloud operated sold for the single organization, hybrid composition of two or more clouds. Private cloud rental option to consider the securities concurrent. Okay, see, I want the one server, public or private something. I have to take rental in this model. Private means it will be considering a some tools only providing in office. See right side, private internal, public external. This is a hybrid. And then right side in the cloud it will be connected. Okay, okay, types of cloud services. First one, email, storage, backup and data retrieval, create and testing app, analyzing data, delivering software and demand. For cloud services it will be providing these things. We are sending email means it will be providing a services, and storage backup like for example Google Drive, and backup is backup also Google Drive, and data retrieval I can delete means it will be store a treasure now. On treasure option it will be storing treasure, it will be retrieval, and then create and testing. I create some websites or some application means this also providing in this service. Analysis data, I give some input data, previous 5 years data, it will be analyzed and prediction analysis and predictable analyzing data. Delivering software on demand, I give some request and demand, it will be developing tool, giving developing tool or developed anything. The world of the business employ cloud computing in different way. Some users maintain all apps and the data on the cloud, while others using hybrid model, keeping content apps and data on private server. Other the cloud, when it come providing service, big players in the corporate company cloud, corporate computing spread include like a Google Drive, Google storage, not a cloud storage only, it having many things. See in the Google Cloud, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. It's a lot of clouds it will be having. Architecture, software system involved the delivery and communicating over a loss in complaining mechanism. Okay, intercloud is a interconnected global cloud of clouds and the extension of the internet. Cloud engineering, see cloud service example. For example, we write the cloud everything into a queries, SQL structural queries language means cloud platform. Second example, web is a front end, and we give some inputs in data. It will write a codes, store a backend, cloud insurance, billing, and a cloud database. The database is nothing. I give my name and age, like that. It is a database. It will be stored in a cloud data storage. Cloud engineering. Application of engineering descriptive to computing, high level con- concurrence, commercialization, standardization, and covering, developing, operating, maintaining. This is the cloud engineering works. Okay. Security and privacy. Data protection, physical control, identity management, ability, application security, privacy, legal issues. Okay. And then cloud security, also known as cloud computing security. It is a collection of security measures designed to protect cloud based on infrastructure, applications, and data. Those measure the user and device authentication, and data and the resource access to control data privacy and protection. Okay. Privacy is right to control how your information is viewed and used while security to protect or danger against in this digital world, generally refer to unauthorized access of the data, invoking protection against hacker or cyber criminals. Okay, now see top 5 security of cloud computing. It is a common security system misconfiguration, data loss due to cyber attack, unsure access control point, DOS attacks. Okay, next. Complaints and legal issues. Okay. Business continuity and data recovery. Data protection. See, legal issues. It is nothing. Data protection is one of the most critical legal issue you must consider using the cloud computing, okay, for your operations. And then second point is data privacy security and data ownership, and in and then we see about what is cloud computing compilations. Okay, compilation is the art of compiling with regularly standard of the cloud used in the authorization industrial guidelines and local national and international laws. It will be increased. Now we see the risk of complaints. Okay, complaint risk is organization portal to legal petitions, results from failure actions according to the industry's laws, regulation and internal policies, risk best of compelling risk to also intergravity risk. Okay, in legal issues, we see the legal issues there can be appeared suddenly, such as a family problems at work or begin to occur on crime. Other common legal issues including things like imagination and consumer rights. In these legal issues is nothing, browse legal topics, other issues. Abused banking, illegal use to popular Amazon services as command and control channel, that is issued software update and molecular instruction to PC. We are interfered by the malware. And then open source, proud the foundation of many cloud computing implementation. Many of the implementation open standard, some have the adopted other API or the number of open standard under development. We are delivering the interoperability and portability. It is nothing, interoperability and portability. See green computers. Research. What is meant by research? In this research is nothing, increases the exploration of the cloud, high speed and performance, heavily researched. In the heavily researched green cloud computing, edge computing, cloud cryptography. and then load balancing, cloud analytics, cloud scalability, service model, cloud computing platform. Why research on cloud computing is important? In this cloud computing research is agility and flexibility that cloud technology enable means opening up and new ways of working operation and doing business. We are now at a crucial point. Now more than ever, cloud computing is a virtual helping business and people deliver on realized the promise of digital transformation. Okay. I already told. Now I give some examples of cloud computing. Dropbox, Google, Microsoft, HubSpot, Amazon, Rata type, right? So now see what is the future of cloud computing. Features of cloud computing is nothing. We are seeing the features of cloud computing now. Combination of cloud computing based software and permissions completed, which will help to create hybrid IT solution. The modified cloud, it is a scalability and flexibility which is proud security and control over data center. Okay. Now see what is the benefit of cloud computing. Easy to set up and use immediately. Easy to set up and use immediately. Easy to access remote. Okay. For example, on any internet connect to the device like a computer, laptop, mobile phones. Easy to access to work from home modules. I give some input data. It will be accessing any places from anywhere. It will be acting like that. Easy to share access with multiple staff members in work environment and remotely. Okay. Okay, now discuss about one more topic. Why cloud computing is future. Cloud computing technologies allow the business to scale and adapt quickly. It is a scale and adapt quickly, deriving business and agility, streaming operation and lowering cost. This will not only help getting stored data current crisis, but it will be improved long term to growth. Okay. See, in this WhatsApp we have using cloud computing. How? Now see, email, calendar, Skype, WhatsApp or cloud computing, one of the best example. Okay, we are daily using every single day. We are using every single day in cloud computing. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, there are cloud computing only attached that every day to make use of cloud features, remote accessibility of the data to support our data in cloud infrastructure, helping to access. Okay, cloud helping to access the internet anytime from anywhere. Okay, cloud clients, Google Chromebook, web browser, company specific applications. Now see, I give some more examples. Cloud Chromebook is not cloud client is the simplified manner to deliver desktop to user anytime anywhere to from access to support first device such the tin client or the business benefit of the choosing cloud client interfader. Now see, types of clients in cloud computing. Types of clients. Think the client proud to majority of resource under data processing. In this clients, lightweight clients, heavily on server for the resource and performed most of the data processing. Hybrid client are the combination of both. Think thick client. Okay. Importance. Okay. We are use cloud every day, used to save huge amount of data, make maintaining information easy, make security easy, maintainability and sustainability are better. In the cloud infrastructure, support environmental and powering virtual service rather than uh, physical products or hardwares and cutting down on paper waste, improving efficiency and anywhere with an internet connection. In this cloud based on education platform also, it will be providing a physical and digital access to resource. It will make eraser to student eraser for student to access some materials and learning resource, and rather ratherless of the devices internet browsing they are used. In this school side, we are using the importance of cloud. Cloud is a education referred to move the school systems, data and IT resource to offsite client server. This server is managed the third party provided and allows appreciate the personal to access data from anywhere at any time. Majorly, we are demand availability of the cloud system resource, especially data store the cloud and cloud computing power without that active manager by the user. Large cloud often acts a function distributed over multiple location. In this cloud proposed simple put, cloud computing is the delivery of the cloud services including server, storage, database, networking, software analytics and intelligence over the internet. Can now see why internet we need the cloud computing. In this simplified term, cloud computing means strong accessing data and programmers over the internet inserted on the your computers hard drive and software services from the provided on the internet. Okay, now we see uses of cloud computing. Now already see online data storage cloud computing allow to store and access to data like files, images, audios and videos on cloud storage, and then etc. Backup, mainly we are using the backup and retrieving, big data analysis, testing and developing antivirus applications, e-commerce applications. Cloud computing is education. Now majorly we using the 4 benefits of cloud computing is nothing. scalability and flexibility, first point, and the second is cost saving and better collaboration, advanced security, data loss prevention. It is the four benefits of cloud computing. What is the 5 advantages of cloud computing? Cloud is infrastructure to support their environmental proactivity, powering virtual service rather than physical products and hardware, and cutting down on the paper waste, improving the energy efficiency, and allow employees access from anywhere with an internet connection, reducing the commuter related emotions. In this real world, providing company drawbacks, Google, Facebook. In this Google and Facebook, it's all a cloud. Using a cloud, I create a registration and login. First of all, I create a registration. It will be stored a database. Okay, that is the clear data. Health is cloud computing. Okay, next we see why cloud computing technology in these futures we used, where cloud technologies allows the business to scale and adapt the quickly access, deriving a agility and streaming operation. Okay. Why it is a called cloud? Now see one more questions. Why we called the cloud computing? Where the term of cloud computing where from this name, in this concept cloud computing dates to 1960s. The partial organized from the cloud symbol used by flowchart and diagrams symbolized the internet. Okay. Where cloud storage, instead of the begin the storage directly on your own personal device in the hardware drive on your computer. Okay, for example, your mobile phones. Cloud based data is the stored on the service owned by the big companies, usual and is more accessible to Wi-Fi to Bluetooth. Okay, now see many GBs in this cloud? Google offers 50 GB per 50 GB of the cloud storage per user. Okay, minimum 50 GB per user. Okay, and each Google account, whether it will be consumer of the Google workshop and account has access to minimum of 15 GB storage. What are the three types of data storage? Data storage can be recorded and stored in the three main forms: field storage, file store, blank store, object store. It is the three types of data storage. Google Drive is a free cloud-based storage services that enable to use the store the and access files online. The services sync stored documents, photos, and more access all the users, including mobile devices, tablets. What are the types of cloud? Now see what are the types of cloud. In these three main types of high clouds and precious cloud over field. Okay. What is the best cloud storage? Sync.com is the best cloud storage services with the excellent file sharing, secured and more P drive and ice drive. Take the number 2 and 3 sports. Both of excellent lifeline planned mega offer. Most of free cloud storage 20 GB. It also a super sure. Okay, now see what is the cloud largest size. Okay, typically it will be reached at 12,000 m to meter to 12,000 meter to 39,000 feet. It will be extremely insured and high as 21,000 meter to 69,000 feet. No more will developed cloud characterization float annual demo. Okay, today I shared about the cloud, discuss about the cloud computing, what is cloud computing, why using, where using. So thank you to all. This is Pantech. Okay.